Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. Fellow movie number 85374, here on behalf of Eastside Holloway. Mr. Right.
Stir your name.
Eastside Holloway.
All right. Good morning, counsel. So your client had pled previously to malicious destruction of under HIDA, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. And he was referred for a pre-sentence report. There was also an agreement that he bring restitution in the amount of $1,000 today. Did he do that?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Okay. Have you had a chance to review the report with your client? And are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions? And before I go any further, I do need to inquire. There was a letter sent on October 12th. Is there a Mark Gardner here, a Chris Lamphere here, or a Pietro Vitale here?
Yes.
All right. We need to call in the prosecutor. You guys agreed on 1,000. They submitted a victim's rights statement. Have you had a chance to review that? Let me read it to you. Call in the prosecutor. I'm going to paraphrase it a little. Pursuant to the Victims' Rights Act, we are submitting our impact statement in this case. The physical damage to property at Gibraltar Self-Storage Unit 3031 129 2640 West 400 West Jefferson has a proposed repair estimate of $6,250. This does not include disposal of damaged parts, a minimal estimate to be $300. So this will be the damage to the partition between units. 2 units were able to be rented due to the damage, creating a loss of income of $110 a month each 9 months of each times 9 months of 1980. Plus, Mr. Muhammad, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Muhammad.
You guys worked this out for $1,000 in restitution, and I hate to tell you, they're asking for a lot of money. Did you confer with the victims? They're in the courtroom, 2 of them.
So my understanding is, so I received a phone call from the defense attorney that's on the co-defendant's case. And he actually informed me that there was a restitution amount of $6,000, somewhere in that range. And I received this phone call prior to me walking into the courtroom. And he indicated that full restitution was made on that case. So I actually think that we should adjourn today's hearing so we can decipher exactly what happened in the co-defendant's case, because
Come on up here, gentlemen.
Yes.
Your name, sir?
Pietro Vitale.
Your name, sir?
Mark Gardner.
Where is Chris Lamphere?
He couldn't be here today. He has prostate cancer.
Okay, we don't need to talk about that. I'm sorry about that, though.
Okay.
We got a dilemma because you guys agreed to this $1,000 in restitution. I got somebody here claiming $6,250 plus disposal $300, economic loss $1,980 plus $220 a month.
yes, in your honor, I think that's due to there being a co-defendant. There's other cases associated with this, so there.
How many other co-defendants
I
are there?
believe there was 2 other co-defendants.
6 individuals who were at the scene.
I saw that,
Lead them in charge.
including your client.
Mhm.
Well, I get it, but yeah.
And Judge, just based
Have the
on-
other 2 cases been adjudicated?
I don't know about the other 2. I know one has, and that's who called me today, this morning, as I was walking into the court, the defense attorney on one of those other cases, and he indicated that full restitution was paid
By who?
by his client. And that's why I'm requesting an adjournment to come.
I understand. Did you guys receive full restitution?
We haven't received anything yet.
And it might just be with the court, that's why I'd like to just figure out what happened.
And I understand, but yeah,
To speak to the co-defendant's counsel, I guess
who is it?
it's Ronald Blood. He's in juvenile court right now, the 3rd Circuit. So how that works is from what he told me, the prosecutor would only give him a deal in juvenile court if his client paid full restitution. I told him that we owed $1,000. I told him we provide him proof that we paid that $1,000. So his prosecutor would subtract that $1,000 from whatever he owed. It's my understanding that he's going around and trying to collect money from all the individuals.
Who is?
The attorney for co-defendants. So
Do you guys have insurance? Take your hat off, sir. Do you guys have insurance?
We do have insurance, yes,
What is your deductible?
5,000.
Yeah. I get it. All right. I don't have a problem adjourning this. I hate to make council come back, but I think we have to. I'm sorry. I don't,
is the restitution going to go up? Because that may apply for our deal.
well, you'll let me worry about that, okay? I think the bottom line though is, I don't mean to be critical, but before you set figures for restitution,
The judge, this came from the deputy chief. And
I don't care who it came from. I don't care if it came from Kim Worthy. It doesn't matter to me. The point is, these guys are now submitting a claim for somewhere in the neighborhood of about $8,000. And you've got 3 defendants and you've got one that's pled apparently, and one's in juvenile. And now it creates problems because they're going to have the right, if somebody's going to seek restitution over and above that, I'm going to allow them to withdraw their plea because that was really part and parcel of the agreement. Whereas if it was just restitution to be determined, that's one thing. I'm not criticizing you. I understand a lot more than you think. Let's adjourn this. How long do you think we need to adjourn this?
1 week.
You sure?
Yes.
You don't want to go a couple more weeks, see what happens with the third defendant if he comes in?
We'll request 2 weeks back.
All right, let's go, Lisa, to
November 4th at 8:30.
November the 4th at 8:30 in the morning. Okay, gentlemen? I mean, now that I made you come here in person once, I think, right? I don't mind as long as your client's in court with you, but he's going to have, does he have a problem? Do you have a problem? Let me start with you. He was shaking his head yes when I said $1,000 that he has. He seemingly indicated he brought that with him for restitution. How about if I set $100,000 cash bond, assuming he has it? And then we can put it into his name, Lisa, and then that will cover his aspect of the restitution. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do that. Adjourn sentence November 4th. Defense attorney, defendant can appear by Zoom as long as you're in the same room, counsel, okay? And then, gentlemen, I would still like you to come. I'm going to give you a notice to show up here November 4th at 8:30.
Okay.
I see you have something in your hand, Mr. Pietro, right?
Yes, I just have the court paperwork and then I have the estimate from the company that originally installed the buildings to repair it. And my impact statement.
Was that all attached here? I think it was, right? So I have that here.
Yeah, you have it.
Okay, good enough. And if you'd like to take a look at it, you're free to do so, counsel. And I'm talking to you, Mr. Mohammed, as are you, Mr. Muji. Okay,
Want to speak to the victims, without you consent. Have you guys gone to the juvenile court at all? Did you notify
The juvenile courts today was supposed to be today also. And I originally tried to get one of them changed and you can't change any of them. It just so happened both of them are at the same day at the same time.
well, maybe you can still go down there. Okay, guys, thank you very much, but go down the hall, get your notice. Thank you. Thanks, Mr. Mohammed. Kenneth Scott Thiebaud? Kenneth Scott Thiebaud here. People against Jerry Bussell. Jerry Lynn Bussell, 24B1463028. Your name, sir? You have $38 you owe.
Yeah, when all this started, it was union, like case of probably about a year ago. I've been paying, I'm in every court, if you right, remember, every court down the river. I have a more than,
So what do you want to do?
well, I want to see if I can pay it on the first when
Not a problem.
I probably, you know, I was gonna ask you
The first
of next month.
yeah,
So I was gonna see, I've been paying downriver, I've been paying everybody.
you don't have to worry about it. We don't need to talk about this. That's fair enough. You came in and talked to me.
The problem is, sir, I got another ticket on my birthday, I just turned 66.
What did you get a ticket for?
I'm gonna explain it to you.
Well, I don't need that. I don't want to know about it, sir. It's not before me. Where'd you get it?
In fact,
Well, I can't.
you did it before, you was the one.
I'm not going to talk about the ticket without the ticket in front of me. I can't.
I had the ticket in my
He
pocket.
requested a hearing for that one, Judge. It's just pending. We already
So
told him
there's a
that.
hearing going on that one.
Yeah, but.
I'm not.
It's gonna be a different judge, that's why I remember you, and I think you should remember me, because I have a big mouth, remember?
No,
No, maybe not.
I get a lot of people in there with big. I'm just kidding.
But anyway, sir, on my birthday.
Listen to me. Listen.
Okay,
There's no reason for us to talk about this. I don't want to.
you, sir, I want you.
You don't get me. She's nicer than I am. Time to pay extended. Time to pay is extended until November the 3rd, okay?
Okay,
And if you need more time, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom, all right? And I'll be glad to give you an extension.
but,
Have a good day. Good luck. Thanks. Priority Waste LLC, 25S 026896.
Nicholas Witz.
You're charged with trespassing with an ORV without written consent, it says. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you want a lawyer?
Like, I mean,
On September, so you waive your right to a lawyer?
I don't really know nothing about.
It's up to you, sir. Whatever you want. If you want me to give you a lawyer, I will. If you don't, I'll go ahead and arraign you and let you go talk to the prosecutor.
I had to speak to a lawyer.
Okay. We'll set you up with a lawyer, and then either way, you'll come back in front of me after your lawyers talk to the prosecutor, okay?
Call it.
Baxter, Michael Xavier Baxter. 25X457711 A and B. Your name, sir?
Michael Baxter.
How much do you have today, sir?
I haven't had any money.
Where do you work?
Sorry,
Where do you work?
for Woodhaven, but I've been on fitness for security leave for 2 months and now being sent to residential mental health therapy tomorrow morning.
Okay,
Um,
okay, so you owe 265 and 215, so you need time to pay you're coming in here for, right?
yeah, I'm gonna be gone for 30 days. And, lock up the residential.
Okay, how much time do you think you need here?
Probably to the 1st of December.
Can you pay it all by then, or do you need,
I'll probably have to do payment plan. I've been out of work for 2 months.
all right. All right,
Apologize for that.
you don't have to apologize. I'm gonna let you do 50 a week beginning December 1. We will start that on the A file. And then you're gonna pay 50 per week on file B. After you've paid the 50 per week and completed your payment on file A. Okay?
Yeah.
So she's gonna give you a printout down the hall, and if you ever don't have the money on any one of the due dates, just call the court, we'll go on Zoom, or you can walk in here on or before the due date, and I'll be happy to give you an extension. I don't really care how many times we have to do that, okay?
I appreciate
I
that.
wish you well. Good luck. Thank you.
Do I pay online or do I come in and pay?
You can do either one. There is a minor fee if you pay online. What is that, Lisa? About $4 on a $50?
$5.
$5. All right, good luck. Thank you. Derek Wayne Flamont Jr.
I'm sorry, where do I go?
You're free to go. Go right down the hall and they'll give you a printout to the cashier window. Derek Wayne Flamont Junior, 25W839-264. Your name, sir?
There,
All right. You're charged with unlawful transportation of marijuana, and you have the right to an attorney. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Would you like one?
yes, sir.
Okay, we're gonna set you up with a lawyer. Just be patient. They have a lot going. And as soon as they come in, I will be happy to, as soon as they get a chance to talk to you, they will. And then either way, you're coming back in front of me with your lawyer, okay? Best of luck. Kenneth Scott Thebo, 25I-722-550.
It's broken on behalf of Mr. Johnson, but this matter is going to proceed by informal hearing between the trooper and Mr. Johnson. So,
So you're a lawyer,
yes.
so well, I'm not understanding. You entered an appearance, so you can't appear in an informal.
Right. So,
Mr. Johnson, your name? Trooper, your name?
Your Honor, Officer Zaid, Michigan State Police.
Wait, counsel. Any objection to your lawyer, Ms. Baraka? Am I pronouncing that correctly? Sproka, withdrawing? What happened? They wouldn't give you anything? Is that what happened, or?
We reached a resolution, Your Honor. I'm willing to dismiss the improper lane use order.
Okay, so I'm gonna allow you, Attorney Sproka, allowed to withdraw. Let me just make a note of that first. So you're all set, counsel. So now it says we'll proceed with an informal hearing. And I am gonna let the lawyer withdraw. No objection from the defendant. All right, so just give me 1 second to make some notes here, Trooper, if you would, please. All right. So what are you going to do now?
I'm willing to dismiss the improper lane use order. And then, keep the ponies.
Boy, that texting law isn't working. I see people all over the place with texting and,
Yes, Your Honor, they want us to take enforcement on it now, so we have to write something back.
all right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Johnson, is plead to operating while texting with the understanding the improper lane use will be dismissed?
Yeah.
Can I see that, please? All right. To the charge operating while texting, responsible or not responsible?
Responsibly.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea. Yeah, it's 2:15. And then I'm going to dismiss on motion of the officer, the improper lane use. 2:15, you could go down the hall and take care of that and you're all set. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. 25M 25M591389A. Your name? Do you have anything today?
Nope.
When can you pay this?
2 weeks.
November 4th? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you till November 4th. If something happens, you don't have the money, call the court on or before the due date. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension. Just don't ignore me, okay?
That's just a room.
Have a good day. Thank you. Jacek Frederick Terrace, 25D2370178. And B, we're going to issue a show 251. Your name?
Frederick Gilbert.
What is your position with the company? Are you the president? So, I mean, is this a corporation
Yes, I think,
and you're the president?
yes,
All right, so you're going to plead to overweight and there's agreed upon fines and costs of $700, true?
yes.
To that charge on behalf of the company, responsible or not responsible? Plea is accepted, $700. Can you pay that today or do you need some time? I don't mind. Which? Okay, you're gonna pay now?
Yes.
All right, have a good day. Good luck. You can write down the cashier. Thank you.
Thanks, God.
Nicholas Gray Witz, 25 D237026. Good morning again, Mr.
Judge and staff, John Graziani, appearing on behalf
Nicholas West for the purpose of the amendment, we waive the formal wage.
Sir, your name?
Nicholas Wicks.
And then this is going to be a plea to failure to display an ORV license decal, right?
That's correct, Judge.
Is that what you want to plead to? That's a civil infraction, sir.
Yes.
To that charge, failure to display an ORV license decal, responsible or slash not responsible? I'll accept the plea. 175, original charge is dismissed. You can go right down the hall and take care of that. And you have the money, right? Okay, you're all set. Good luck to you.